Are 3D printed motorcycle phone mounts truly secure? Imagine riding down the highway with your phone safely mounted, ready for navigation or music. But how confident can you be in a mount made with a 3D printer? That's what we're here to find out. 3D printed motorcycle phone mounts can be secure, but a lot depends on how they are designed, what materials are used, and how well they are installed. When you're on a motorcycle, the mount must hold your phone tight during vibrations, bumps, and high speeds. If it slips or falls, that could be dangerous. A good motorcycle phone mount needs to grip the phone firmly on multiple sides. Many reliable mounts use adjustable clamps or spring-loaded arms that lock the phone in place. These features help prevent the phone from popping out during a ride. Vibration resistance is also very important. Motorcycles produce a lot of vibration, which can loosen mounts or damage phones. A well-made mount often includes vibration-dampening features or shock-absorbing materials to keep the phone steady and protected. The strength of the material used in 3D printing makes a big difference. High-quality filaments like nylon or reinforced composites are stronger and more flexible than basic plastics like polylactic acid, which can crack or become brittle over time. Using these durable materials helps ensure the mount stays intact under stress. How the mount is attached to the bike matters too. Most mounts connect to handlebars or the frame. They need to fit securely without slipping or rotating. Proper installation with strong fasteners and sometimes additional locking mechanisms can improve security. When it comes to 3D printed mounts, design and print quality are key. A poorly printed mount with weak infill or thin walls might crack or break during a ride. Good designs consider the forces involved and reinforce critical points. Material limitations are another concern. Standard 3D printing plastics may degrade over time when exposed to sunlight, heat, or mechanical stress. This can reduce the mount's reliability. Unlike commercial mounts that undergo extensive testing for motorcycle use, 3D printed options often lack rigorous validation. That means you need to be cautious and evaluate each mount carefully. Many riders find that, if a 3D printed mount is designed well and printed with durable materials, it can be a cost-effective and customizable solution. You can even tweak the design to fit your specific phone and handlebar size. However, commercial mounts generally offer stronger materials, better vibration dampening, and more secure locking mechanisms. These features can give you more peace of mind when riding. Remember, even with a secure mount, vibrations can harm your phone's camera or internal components over time. Some manufacturers advise against leaving your phone mounted on a motorcycle for long rides. Ease of attaching and removing the phone is also important. A good mount should let you quickly secure or take off your phone without risking it falling. Finally, make sure the mount fits your phone size and handlebar dimensions. Compatibility is key to ensuring a tight, secure fit. In the end, 3D printed motorcycle phone mounts can be secure if they are designed with the right materials and engineering. But for the most reliable protection, especially on long or fast rides, a commercial mount with proven vibration resistance and locking features might be the safer choice.